want to know, how are you getting rid of your wiregrass, devil grass, slash the dreaded Bermuda? See those little seed pods right there? Spread through here quite rapidly. And I got new construction next to me. That was all wild Bermuda, and it all blew in over here, and I've been killing it. So how do I kill it? Here's a quickie. Okay, first of all, I'm going to take that seed and I am going to take it and bury it, because I'd go throw it in the garbage and burn it, but they're going to pour cement or concrete on that shortly, so they can do that for me, and it's all full of it in there anyway. Okay, over here. Here's the deal. Solo Terphalon ester, small amount, and right now I also have a carrier sticker in here. And what is happening is I just got some Pylex. We did a split with some people, and I am now actually adding some of that in here, very small amounts. Yes, it is summer. Yes, it is humid. Yes, it is hot. People want to know what I'm doing. That's the results I'm getting with what I'm doing. That's even without Pylex. So here's what I do. I take a daily walk whenever I get home, whatever, and I look for them, because they are sneaky and they are growing fast. And I take them and I pull them up in the air when I find them. If there's a seed head, I take it off, put it in the garbage, and here's what I do. I take and I give it a nice drench. Okay. And yes, this is not supposedly acceptable during hot weather. Do it at your own risk. I do it no matter what the temperature is. I'm having minimal damage to my turf because I'm putting such a small amount on. Here's another one I just pulled up. I'm going to drench him. Okay. And usually if you see one, look around. There's probably others. There's one I just pulled up. Actually, I pulled it up yesterday. You can already see it starting to get killed. But what you got to do is pay the price. There's one laying down in there. Get him up where you can see him. Shoot him. And yeah, it takes time. You know what they say? There's another one. Now that's had some damage there due to heat stress. That's okay. I'm still spraying it because I do not want these things spreading, because there's one. They spread like wildfire. And if I can get them when they're young and not established, then that's what I'm trying to do, okay? And it takes them out pretty fast if you get on them. You just have to do it constantly, religiously, and you may not be into that. I'm not telling you I enjoy it. I'm just telling you that's what I have to do if I want to keep on it this time of the year and keep them from spreading. There's one there. Looks like I shot that before. Let's see if there's anything else with it. Sometimes there, nope, he's on his way out. There's another one. Now this, some of this damage I have done, okay. I made my mix a little hot. Now look at this big baby over here. These things show up out of nowhere and they come fast, okay. And look at it. So, I mean, here's the dance. That's what you got to do, okay? And I know Pylex is expensive. Find some people to split it. We split it 4 ways. Cost me about 135 bucks. Oh, there's one. I just pulled that up a few minutes ago. That's why it's sticking up. I just found it, and that's what's got me started here again. I had to come out and do something, and I noticed it. I don't know if that's one or not. Nope, that's not. Those I got the other day, but you see what's happening to them? Look, killing them. And yeah, it'd be nice if I could do a big blanket spread, but this time of the year, you do that, you're wiping out your lawn. So that's what my lawn looks like, and I'm not wiping it out. And yeah, I do have a few stress spots if I overshoot it or triple shoot it because I wasn't paying attention and I did it day after day. But in general, it is not destroying my lawn, but it is destroying the devil, the Bermuda grass, the wire grass, the stuff that we do not want. And just to show you what's going on, I got permission from my neighbor, who has finally given up on his tall fescue and decided that I guess Bermuda's going to take it over. He's going to let me take care of this. That's why that's all heavy dead, because that was all just super inundated, and we have heat stress here. But if you look here, this thing is loaded. So what I'm doing every day is I'm coming over and giving him just a little drink. I'm trying not to totally wipe it. Look at the seed head. So when I mow this, I have permission to mow this too. And we're keeping his mower guy out of here. Look at it in here. Is what's happening is I mow it and I make sure it doesn't blow my direction, and I make sure everything goes over to his side, or I bag it on his side here and then clean it all, my mower off, good to start before I mow mine, because this stuff spreads like crazy. This is his, of course. He's got super heat stress and he is full of it, and his seed heads are up everywhere. You probably can't see them, but they are. It's like, so he thinks he's got a problem now. And here's what happens if you let it go, because this is out in his parking. See him coming across? Look at it. You see all that beautiful green? That's all Bermuda wiregrass. His professional mower guy is dropping a bunch of that in on him by not cleaning his mower before he comes over. And guess who else has got it over there? Same thing, fescue lawn. If I went over there, which I'm not going to do, probably, I went over there yesterday, it's about 60% Bermuda already. Bermuda, dead fescue, or dormant fescue, dormant, heat issues. Anyway, that's what I had to say about it. I'm using that instead of anything big. They're $20 on Amazon. Go get yourself one. By the way, all this, that was all Bermuda. Oh, still one more. There you go. Needs to be pumped up a bit. And I killed it out of here, and yes, this is a nightmare. Between the heat stress, and I had blight in here, that's what all those burnouts are. I burned them to the ground with my torch because I had to do something. It was attacking full force. I did stop it, but it's a mess. That's okay. It's all going to get reseeded here. And looking back, okay, have a good day. This is Luvin the Green Gary out fighting the Bermuda.